Boom shakalaka, the $13,000 Bitcoin fallacy, plus many charts suggesting why this is massive Bitcoin accumulation territory and why ETH could break out all of the sudden. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video we're talking about the $13,000 Bitcoin fallacy plus a bunch of charts suggesting this is massive Bitcoin accumulation territory and why ETH is on the verge of an absolutely mission critical breakout. Before we get into it guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us over on Twitter at @Crypto push the like button. Now today, the Fear and Greed Index has not caught up with the Bitcoin price. Right now we're at extreme fear 24, higher than yesterday, but the overall market down over 5% today. Bitcoin at 18,803, Ethereum at 1519, BNB at 264, XRP 32 cents, Cardano 46 cents, Solana $31, and Dogecoin 5 cents. And if you want any top coins today based on artificial intelligence and machine learning, we have BitDAO, Voyager VGX, Leo Token, Ethereum, and Cosmos Hub. And notice how much of the portfolio is stablecoins, which has absolutely nailed it over the past few weeks as Bitcoin price has been declining. You can check out Token Merchant for yourself. There is a link down in the description. Now, Bitcoin price today bouncing off of this green line, the 280 weekly moving average. Historically, the lowest moving average Bitcoin has ever in its entire life history bounced off of. It's never gone below this line. We're bouncing off of it today. That was roughly at $18,500. Now this could be setting the double bottom for Bitcoin, but it might not. Now, today I was having a conversation with someone who was very adamant that Bitcoin price is going down to $13,000. And he was talking about a very good YouTuber who made a chart here using some log trend lines, and Bitcoin price, and this is the crypto market cap, but also Bitcoin price always goes down and touches the bottom here. And he thought previously he didn't sell the top because he thought it was going to touch this line, which it didn't. And I would just say this is a common fallacy because everybody's sure we're going to have the bottom when we touch the line. Well, why would you be so sure of that if it didn't touch the top line right here? Wouldn't that just invalidate the whole model if we didn't touch the top line? Why would we touch the bottom line? But maybe that's just my thinking because the price could go down to $13,000 or $10,000 or $3,000 or $0. I don't know where the price is going to go. But I think that's a fallacy to believe that it's going to touch the bottom line here when it really didn't touch back here, it really didn't touch back here, and it didn't touch the top line right here. So why would it go ahead and touch the bottom line right there? It doesn't make much sense to me because we have a lot of people right now suggesting that. And oftentimes the market likes to disappoint the most people possible. As a matter of fact, this person I was talking to, he didn't sell the top because it didn't touch that line there. And he's saying he's going to buy a whole bunch of Bitcoin when it's at $13,000. Now, if he does, good for him. And if Bitcoin gets there, good for him. But I have a feeling that there's probably a lot of buy orders set at those levels that may never get filled. Right now, though, Bitcoin's hovering in some very volatile territory. And we're getting to the long liquidation territory between $17,000 and $19,000, which could send Bitcoin down even further. But right now, we are currently in the range of previous drawdowns. Currently is 72.6. We've been between here and 93.6 on previous Bitcoin drawdowns. And if we take a look, there's some very strong evidence that we are in massive Bitcoin accumulation territory. Now it may go down 10% or 20% or even 50% from here. I don't know how far down it goes. But you know what? I'm not in it for the short game. I'm in it for the long game. And in 10 years, I have a feeling it'll probably be better than where it is right now. But if we take a look at the wave trend oscillator, it's given a bull signal. This has in the past always marked the absolute low. Even if we go 10 or 20% lower from here, upside potential is huge. Now, what is this? Well, basically, if we take a look at this signal, we have a little bit of a parabola right there. And then the bull signal is when this actually has an inflection on the bottom. Now we have the bull phase, bear phase, inflection on the bottom. Bull phase, bear phase. Guess what? We just had an inflection on the bottom each time previously that did pick out the cycle low. If we take a look at this indicator, the WTX indicator down here on the bottom, this one as well, not only has it flashed green like it has done previously, but it has ticked up. And previous times when this happened in 2018 and 2015, the bottom was already in. Is this suggesting the bottom is already in? I don't know. We'll have to watch over the next few days, see if Bitcoin can actually hold this level. Because if it breaks through here, Bitcoin's never done that before. That could be scary. Could be very interesting though too. Right now, On-Chain College has been waiting for this to happen for a long time, been waiting all bear market to see if the Bitcoin percent supply and profit would dip below 50%, and it just did. This is significant because this metric dipped below 50% in each of the Bitcoin's prior bear market bottoms in March 2020. So this is suggesting the bottom could already be in because we just dipped below the 15% supply in profit, which leads us to this chart, accumulation and distribution periods. Based on the average sentiment oscillator, the best spots of accumulation and distribution are when the step line with diamonds is respectively below 30 and above 70. So below 30 is these green, great accumulation periods. Above 70 is the red distribution periods. And if you line these up with the charts, well, the accumulation periods have been the bottoms. Is this the exact bottom? No one can tell until afterwards. But Bitcoin currently is at a very good spot to accumulate. And if you're not bullish on Bitcoin, you darn well better get bullish on Ethereum as long as they don't muck things up in about 8 days. Ethereum Bitcoin is breaking out 5 days to close the candle. If there's a pump in ETH Bitcoin, alt season 2022 is coming. Huge moves are expected in alts, and the cup target is reached. Check this out. Gigantic multi-year cup and handle about to break out. Just a few days to the close of the candle because these are the 1 week candles. But take a look down here. Cup and handle pattern, very bullish. So good news for Bitcoin, good news for Ethereum. Even though prices are down today, things are looking, fingers crossed, pretty good. So that's all for today's episode. If you did enjoy it, just push the like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.